Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today in this video we are going to design this simple but awesome looking flyer in Photoshop CC 2021. You can use any other version that you have, is going to produce the same result. So this simply what we'll do is to create a new layer, and when you create, it's using 15 by 10 inches. That is the size and resolution 30. So this is it. We have this is an image I downloaded from on splash.com. You can use it just so you can just search Edwin Andreni, and on splash.com is where you can get free resources to download for your graphic design project. I've been benefiting a lot from it, and there are a lot of great stuff out there, so you can check on splash.com for beautiful looking pictures. So when you bring this in, I'll just simply lock it. So just lock it here in place. So the next thing you can do is to type in your text. So I have I'll be using font type Arial, so Arial narrow bold, center align, okay, Arial narrow, color white, the main part of it is what was in the middle. So have packs, prayers, mid, so with the packs, the mid and the week, they are of the same, so they are of the same font, and what I used there was Acrobat. Acrobat is a free font you can get online. So Acrobat semi bold, okay, Acrobat bold. So you make sure they are of the same size, then you align them very well. So the idea here is with this, the wick remains the same thing, and this one we have to take off the fill. The fill is what is inside it. So the first thing we have to do is to add a stroke on top of it. So we'll double click on this. Now come to the style panel, then go to stroke, change this to outside, change the color. We are using a white stroke around it. Then increase the size of the stroke. So change it to center stroke. Then when you are done with that, you now come and remove, send the fill to 0. You move the fill back to 0. This is what was inside of it. The other option might have been opacity, but what opacity does, opacity also affects the layer style. So when you bring the fill to 0, the layer style is not affected, so it gives us a cool one there. So we'll come to the packs. The font, there is freestyle script. It's an inbuilt font, and if it's not inbuilt on your machine, you can simply download it from online. The same font applies here. Change the color to yellow. So the yellow is because of the kind of place it belongs to. The colors of packs is yellow and blue, so that's why I used yellow there. You can use your own color. And here, as I mentioned, blue. Then the base, the font type here is the Arial. So realize that this is kind of competing with the background. It's not very visible. So what you can do there is to make certain changes to the background or certain effects on the background. So what you want to do is want to place a layer on top of the background. So solid layer. I can put, so with the black color, you can reduce opacity. Then it stands out very cool, very smooth. You can now play along with the colors to have different feels. So this is a very brilliant feel, and you can also work along with the various blending modes to come out with very smooth. So this is even better than this. Is not okay, it's not that. So depending on your color choice, so this is not so very bad, but with what I use the normal and a higher opacity. So thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. This is a fly widget design. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let's see my next video is bye bye.